Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and it's Monday, April 20th. Look, I want you to look at AMGN here. The company reports earnings tomorrow. Now, it's in the biotech space, and there's a lot to like about biotech. What I like about AMGN is this has basically been trending sideways. It's been chopping around for almost 6 months here. This is a high base. The trend is higher. You can see it. And so the idea of a, quote, high base is that the base is not down here. This would be a, quote, base, not a low base, just a base. But you get the same thing within an uptrend where the idea is that the stock starts to drift sideways after a big, nice move. Why is that? Because traders are taking profits. And so, oh my gosh, this is a top. Well, not so much, because the stock doesn't do that. Instead, other traders are buying. So they're buying the stock. It's drifting down a little bit, finally at about $1.50. The buyers make a stand and say, I will take all you have. And then the stock starts drifting higher. Over time, what happens is the average cost basis, listen to me, the average cost basis of short-term investors, short-term traders, recent buyers, the average cost basis is right around here, right in the box, as opposed to, you know, down here or here or here, where they're going to tend to want to take profits, or down here. Everybody buys here. So the idea is that this stock has been consolidating long enough. It's a large cap biotech stock. I don't know, they could announce horrible results and the stock could fall down to 130 or 120. Doubt that it's going to do that. If it does, buy more. What I would suggest you do is take this stock prior to when they announce earnings, and if you have to do it pre-market, hey, works for me. You just want to own some of this stock, because these large cap biotech stocks have been doing well over time. This is not the top. Okay, members, over to the strategy session. A lot of stuff to cover, as well as some of the stocks that I went over on the weekend update, one of which is doing really well. Talked about this, my IPO strategy. We talked about this over the weekend. This gave a clear buy signal this morning, and if you took that trade, you should be up a fair amount. So, and by the way, if you're not a member of Stock Market Mentor, if you've never tried it, please give us a shot. It's a free 30-day look-see. That's kind of a no-risk trade, to tell you the truth. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow.